On the dawn of the new year, the first day of 1804, a monumental event occurred. The island nation of Haiti, nestled in the heart of the Caribbean, rose from the ashes of its colonial past and declared its independence from France. This momentous event was more than just a political declaration. It symbolized an extraordinary victory for a people who had long been oppressed and exploited. Let's rewind the clock and take a journey to the past. Imagine being in Haiti during the era of French colonial rule, when the courageous and strong-willed people were burdened with the yoke of subjugation. Faced with daily hardship, relentless toil in the sugarcane fields, and constant exploitation, they could have scarcely dreamt of a future where they would be free. Their oppressors, the French, enforced a brutal regime of slavery and exploitation. This relentless subjugation bore heavily on the spirits of the Haitians, who yearned for an existence marked by freedom, self-determination, and respect for their humanity. Like the faintest crack of dawn piercing the darkness of night, whispers of rebellion began to emerge. These whispers gained strength and momentum, fueled by the unquenchable desire for freedom and the collective dream of a better future. Slowly but surely, these whispers evolved into cries, cries transformed into rallies, and rallies ignited the flames of a full-blown revolution. The revolution wasn't easy. It was a grueling struggle, marked by countless sacrifices and the shedding of precious blood. Yet, against all odds, the indomitable spirit of the Haitian people persevered. They put up a valiant fight, their spirits unyielding in the face of overwhelming adversities. They rallied together, their unity forming an unbreakable bulwark against their oppressors. After years of struggle and sacrifice, the first day of the year 1804 brought with it the dawn of a new era. The day when all their trials and tribulations finally paid off. It was then that Haiti, the pearl of the Caribbean, emerged as the first Black Republic, free from the chains of French colonial rule. This is more than just a historical fact. It is a testament to human resilience, the power of unity, and the indomitable spirit of freedom. The first day of the year, 1804, marked the dawning of a new era. It was the day when all their struggles, all their sacrifices, finally paid off. It was then that Haiti, the first Black Republic, gained independence from France. This more than just a historical fact. It's a testament to human resilience and the indomitable spirit of freedom. Unquestionably, the leader of the Haitian Revolution was Toussaint Louverture. This isn't simply a statement. It's a testament to a profound journey of resistance and triumph. Born into the shackles of slavery on the French-controlled island of Saint-Domingue, now known as Haiti, Louverture's early existence was riddled with adversities. Yet he emerged from the depths of bondage, exemplifying an unyielding spirit that inspired his fellow enslaved Africans. Toussaint Louverture may not be a universally recognized name, but his narrative is a powerful representation of endurance. More than a warrior, Louverture demonstrated exceptional tactical prowess and relentless bravery, leading his people to victory against an oppressor armed with superior resources. The revolution was a chaotic era, characterized by brutal conflicts, political maneuverings, and an unquenchable yearning for liberty. Louverture's leadership was instrumental in steering the revolution. Drawing from his profound conviction in freedom, he adeptly navigated the convoluted sphere of colonial politics, challenging the formidable French, Spanish, and British forces. His military expertise was unrivaled, leaving adversaries confounded and defeated. Louverture was not just a military strategist, but a social visionary advocating equality for all, irrespective of racial or social standing. Under his guidance, Saint-Domingue underwent a radical transformation from a French outpost plagued by slavery to the world's first Black-led republic, Haiti. In spite of facing overwhelming challenges, Louverture's commitment to his mission remained steadfast. He emerged as a resolute symbol of resistance against an oppressive regime. Even today, his legacy reverberates globally, serving as a potent reminder of the formidable force of unyielding determination and the timeless quest for freedom. In essence, Louverture's story is an enduring illustration of the potential of the human spirit and the transformative power of hope. His life and his leadership serve as a powerful lesson, reminding us that even in the face of great adversity, the spirit of freedom and the audacity of hope can triumph. In conclusion, the leader of the Haitian Revolution was Toussaint Louverture. His life and leadership are a testament to the indomitable spirit of freedom and the audacity of hope. The indigenous people who inhabited Haiti before the arrival of Europeans were the Taino. The Taino, an indigenous group native to the Caribbean, were the first to greet Christopher Columbus when he landed on their shores in the late 15th century. The Taino were a subgroup of the Arawakan Indians, a group of natives who stretched all the way from modern-day South America to the southern United States. The impact of Europeans on the Taino was significant and largely devastating. Despite this, the Taino's legacy lives on in the form of their language, art, and cultural traditions society. The indigenous people who inhabited Haiti before the arrival of Europeans were the Taino. Jean-Jacques Dessalines was a key figure in the Haitian Revolution, a pivotal period in world history that deserves more recognition than it often gets. Born into dire circumstances as a slave, Dessalines' rise to leadership is a testament to his relentless pursuit of independence and unyielding spirit. As a young man, he had already begun to display an unshakable determination that would later shape his path to power. Forced into a life of servitude, he was subjected to the harsh realities of slavery. Yet, these trials served to forge a resilient character, a trait that would prove instrumental in his future endeavors. In the bloody turmoil that was the Haitian Revolution, Dessalines emerged as a beacon of hope for his people. Shrewd and strategic, he rose through the ranks, his military genius evident in every battle he led. His charismatic leadership and strategic acumen inspired legions and gave them the strength to stand against the oppressors. When the opportunity came, Dessalines seized it. He declared himself Emperor Jacques I, forever cementing his legacy as a symbol of liberation. His reign was marked with an iron fist, a necessary measure, he believed, to protect the newly formed nation's sovereignty. Dessalines' story is one of courage and resilience. It's a testament to the idea that even in the face of adversity and cruelty, individuals can rise above their circumstances and change the course of history. Today, his legacy lives on, inspiring countless individuals and reminding us of the power of determination and bravery. He became the first leader of independent Haiti after declaring himself Emperor Jacques I. He is remembered as a symbol of defiance and liberation, continuing to inspire generations long after his lifetime. Haiti was colonized by France before gaining independence. The Haitian Revolution was the only successful slave revolt in history and led to the establishment of the first independent Black Republic in the Western Hemisphere. The Haitian Revolution dealt a significant blow to the institution of slavery by abolishing it in Haiti and inspiring other anti-slavery movements around the world. The first democratically elected president of Haiti was Jean-Bertrand Aristide, who assumed office in 1991. Haiti has faced challenges such as poverty, political instability, natural disasters, and dependence on foreign aid. The Citadelle La Ferrière, built during the early 19th century, is a symbol of Haitian independence and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was constructed to defend against potential French invasion after Haiti's independence. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video.